Hey LEGO fans, this is the Speed Champion Audi S1 E-tron Quattro, set number 76921. This set comes with 274 pieces and retails for £21, 27 US and 27 euros. Here in Australia it retails for a whopping $40, which is getting quite out of hand, but I feel like this set has a lot to offer with the amount of detail it has, the amount of print pieces, which we're going to take a closer look at, and just the overall build and style that this set comes with. Jumping into the history of this car, this race car was unveiled as an electric powered rally car. It was developed by the legendary Peaks Pike International Hill Climb. The car was a collaboration between Audi Motorsports division and its electric vehicle engineers. It features an electric engine with 500 kilowatts as well as an overdrive system, showcasing Audi's commitment to a cleaner and sustainable future. And when you look at the actual pictures of this car coming up on the screen now, this race car is really well detailed and very close to what it is in real life. Taking a closer look at these beautiful print pieces this set comes with. Across the front here, all these pieces here, the cheese wedges and these corner slope pieces are all printed, as well as these cheese pieces in here as well. Chucking it around to the back, there's even more print pieces at the back here with the 1x6 plates here and here, as well as these 1x1 plates in here with the black stripes, as well as the hubcaps of this set of the wheels here as well. This looks absolutely phenomenal with the outer red for the rims. Overall, I do feel that because of the amount of print pieces in this set, the high price tag that we're coming accustomed every year with the Speed Champions going up between $3 to bloody $8 every year here in Australia and overseas as well, this set does boast a lot of print pieces which do cost a lot to make, making this set probably, I wouldn't say worth the value, but a bit more acceptable to buy with the higher price range that the Speed Champions are now asking for. Taking a closer look at the interior, it's come to expect a bit of interior design now of these Speed Champions. This one's pretty bland with just one sticker piece in there and a steering wheel. Nothing really to this one. Does have like a gear shifter there, but no real seats to talk of. Pretty bland, and it's just not much room in there. With this set, I found this bonnet here is really large, taking away a lot of space from inside the cockpit here. I definitely think they could have done some more design in there, but you don't really see it once that's on. The cool little windscreen piece here with the antenna acting as a windscreen. Taking a look at this print piece here, beautiful, pretty well beautifully connected lines, not too much to talk of really compared to what previous Speed Champions LEGO's come out with. Those separation there is not as bad, I would say, but further along, looking at the mirrors here, the mirrors are different design. Haven't seen these type of mirrors before used. I do think they look a bit bulky personally, but they do look more like mirrors than the previous look of other Speed Champions that LEGO's been running with. Looking at these stickers, very hard to try to get them lined up perfectly. I've tried my best at that, but whatever you do, you're always going to have a little gap here if you put it two across that side. It's really hard. The colours on these stickers are pretty good, like the light grey one's pretty good, but these dark, with I don't know what it is with LEGO, but their dark grey tone for stickers just do not match the pieces. It was pretty bad in one of the Mercedes sets I got. Just you could sticks out so much with the dark grey. But overall, the rest of the stickers you can pretty well line up to get a pretty flush look if you got the patience to. I usually do my stickers right at the end so I can get them all perfectly lined up and get the best look possible. In terms of the build of this, it's pretty stock standard and what we've come to terms with building these terrific 8 wide Speed Champions. Now there was a unique piece and maybe a legal build right here with the snowboard being held in with like a quarter of a plate, if that, with the studs going into these bracket pieces underneath. There was also a new piece which we can see under here, this bracket, this 6 wide bracket with the 2 points to plug into with 2 studs here and here. That's pretty unique piece and gave versatility. You can put these angle pieces in, but besides that, this is pretty well stock standard and what we've come accustomed to building these Speed Champions, and they're just terrific builds. 2 different bags. And let's take a quick look at this sticker sheet. These are sporting race cars liveries requiring a lot of stickers. This is what we've come accustomed to with the Speed Champions when they've got this Liberty on. Just a ton of stickers on the sticker sheet, but what can you do? It looks great if you get them all lined up like I have. Just got to take your patience and time to get them all lined up to look perfectly good. So now let's go to the speed build and check out how this wonderful thing gets built. Sorry for the quality, not sure what happened with processing, but this speed build might not be up to YouTube standard with graphics. Hopefully my next couple will be, and look out for those videos when they come. If not, enjoy the speed build and subscribe and like and share.